like break and different structures. We have already completed do while repetition structure and do while structures, the program associated with do and while. Okay, and break and continue. What is the use of break? Break will break the entire sequence and continue will break only. This is sort of a small break and this is the complete break. Okay, so here we have seen the example related with this, that how this will use and what are the output of this program. So let us see some other programs and just tell me one by one what is the output of this program. Yes, because you are having idea of while loop. So what is the output of this program? Pratmaditya?
Yes, sir.
What is the output of this program? Any guesses?
No, sir.
Why? Means you are not practicing the program. Vagish, Ajay Singh,
Yes, sir.
what is the output of this program?
सर 1 मिनट सर दीजिए सर अभी बताता हूँ.
And be ready for other programs also. Okay, there are several more programs, so I will ask the output of each and every program. So just tell me what is the output of upcoming programs also. After this, module 2 will be and actually module 3 will be and. Okay, so yes, tell me what is the output of this program. Yes, anyone? This is not responsibility of Vagish only. Those who are here, they need to tell me what is the output of this program. Okay, and don't type this program, just see the program and try to give me output, because it is very important whether you know the logic or not.
Sir, that modulus,
Yes,
count modulus 2.
who has given this output?
Shahoj.
Shahoj, yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm asking, is that modulus or division symbol? Count after count. Yes,
This
sir.
is percent, na?
Oh, okay, sir.
Yes. And remember one thing, okay? Whenever campus placement is there, you must ask a programming language. And this is your C programming language. Why it is asked? Because there are several other things like float, CFD, okay? Some other softwares are also there. If you don't know how to program, then you won't be able to get inside these CFD software. CFD is used for mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, and I think electrical engineers also use CFD. Okay, so be careful. And it is not just a subject, it is just one thing, because there are different languages. In CFD, you need to use different language, you need to use different parameters also. In computer graphics also, you need to use a software based on CAD and CAM. Okay, so using this CAD and CAM, you need to produce your graphics also. So it is very, very important. If you know how to program and what are the steps, then you will be able to find the output, and it is very easy to crack the campuses also. Done or not? See, this type of questions may come in examinations also.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it will print star 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 is to plus 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 plus. For means if it is if we give count equals to 2, 4 even numbers,
Okay.
and it will be each in new line.
It will print. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It will print after it. What is your complete statement after it will print? Hmm. Unmute yourself and tell me what is your statement.
Sir, it will print star 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 is to
Yeah.
plus 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 if
Yes.
the value of count are even, means 2, 4, 6, 8 till 10,
Okay.
and each will be in new line.
So for even what it will print?
Sir, what is given in double quotes?
No. For even number, what it will print? Whether it will print 4 star or 8 plus.
Sir, both, no?
Both. Okay. In this class, no new additions and no new modifications has done. Okay. Only in C and only in CSE and IT this will happen. So it is expected that because you are from early of this class and no change is there. So this is ternary operator actually. if we are showing this, it is equivalent to if count mod 2. Okay, I'm not writing anything. It will print 4 star, else print plus 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 and plus 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 plus. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? If I is greater than or equals to 10, so you know that it will either give you a result in 1 or 0. 1 will be given when it is true and 0 will be given when it is false. In this particular condition, let me rewrite this statement once again because you are unable to see. Okay. So how this statement is equivalent? Fine. So let me write once again. This is coming from ternary operator. What ternary operator says? It is equal to if else condition. Okay. So here it is written if count mod 2. Okay. Then if this condition is true, then it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 star and slash n. Slash n is given. Then if not this, then it will print 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And after that, it will halt because this is a string and it is substituted. If the condition is true, it will be substituted by star. If the condition is false, okay, if the condition is false, then it will be substituted by this 8 times plus. Now, this statement looks sometimes incomplete, but it is not like this. It is not like that. It simply means this statement is equivalent to this particular statement is equivalent to one more statement if count mod 2 equals to 1. What this 1 shows? This shows true. Okay. And if it is false, then it will automatically. So because this is true, okay, either whenever you are printing count mod 2, it will give you 1. When it will give you 1? When it is non-zero. Okay. So when it is giving non-zero, because this is a function, this is simple remainder function. Okay. And now come to while loop. So while is initialized to 1. While is initialized to 1 means the value of count is 1. Up to what part this while will run? Up to what part this while condition? So condition is less than or equals to 10. And how this condition will be forwarded? So using count plus plus. Okay, means this will be increment by 1 always. So this loop runs 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. What is the value of this condition? 1 mod 2 will give you 1. 2 mod 2 will give you 0. 3 mod 2 will give you 1. 4 mod 2 will give you 0. 5 mod 2 will give you 1. 6 mod 2 will give you 0. 7 mod 2 will give you 1. 8 mod 2 will give you 0. 9 mod 2 will give you 1. And 10 mod 2 will give you 0. Okay. So what is this? If it receives 1, okay, so this will be printed. If it receives 0, then this will be printed. Fine, simple. So here upon 1, it will print star, 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 and star. For a 0, it will print plus, 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 plus. Similarly for 1, because slash n is always there. Slash n is always there. So it will start printing from new line. Here also slash n you need to excuse me, include. Okay. Because this slash n, this string will be replaced by either 4 star or 8 plus. Similarly, 4 star will come upon answer is correct. If suppose I am changing this statement by count mod 5, then what will happen? What will happen? Okay. In this particular case, the value of count may vary if I am using this count to count mod 5. So this may vary 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. Okay. If you divide, if you are checking the modulus of 1 mod 5 will give you 1. 2 mod 5 will give you 2. 3 mod 5 will give you 3. 4 mod 5 will give you 4. And 5 mod 5 will give you 0. Similarly, 6 mod 5 will give you 1. 7 mod 5 will give you 2. 8 mod 5 will give you 3. 9 mod 5 will give you 4. And 10 mod 5 will give you 0. Okay. So what will be the pattern? Printing pattern? For all values 1, 2, 3, 4, it will print plus star, 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 star. Okay, 4 times a star and 4 rows of stars are there. And for each 0, it will print plus, 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 and plus, 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 plus. Yes or no?
So,
Yes.
how will the compiler know that for 0 it have to print plus plus plus, and for 1 it has to print star
It is
star
written
star?
now. I had given here. This is your ternary operator here. So upon true means whenever value is greater than or equals to 1, it is true. If there is a value, it is true. If there is no value, means if it is 0, then it is false. Upon 0, it will print this. And upon non-zero, all the non-zero value, okay, it will print true.
And sir, what is the use of that %s?
ये प्रश्न किसका है?
So कर्तव्य. Earlier we used to write %d ना.
नाम बोलो फिर से.
So कर्तव्य.
कर्तव्य. आप थोड़ा लेट आए थे. ओके. कर्तव्य है ना. So let me explain this. Actually, we have format specifiers. What we have? Format specifiers. Okay. If you want decimal number, then use %d or %i. This I for integer. If you want to use float, then use %f. If you want to use character, then use %c. If you want to use a string, then use %s. Some other specifiers are also there. Just read them, okay, or revise your previous lectures. So you will be able to. So this is whenever we are talking about %c, when we use %c, so only one character will be taken. But when we use %s, it is group of characters.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these are 4 characters, these are 8 characters. So all these characters can be taken together by this %as. %as stands for string. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now come to whether you want to see the output of this program.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our program, yes or no? Let me run this program.
Yes, sir.
So for 1, it is star, 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 star.
Star, star,
And
star.
And for all even number, like whatever I had said for 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 star will be coming and 1 plus 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 will be coming. Take lower, count it 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 1. Whenever the number is directly divisible by 5, it will give you plus 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 plus, and when number is not divisible, then it will give you star, 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 star. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Let me write not
Yes, sir.
divisible and divisible. Then also you are able to understand that 1 is not divisible. If you want to print 1 also, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want, but I cannot write here. Yes. Okay. Now come to next problem. If I am writing 6,
Sir, one more thing.
if I am writing 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If any number is divided by 6, the remainder may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if 6 is coming, 6 is divisible. That's why it is printing divisible, or it is false branch. And for all non-divisible number, it will printing non-divisible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir,
If I am
one
writing
more thing.
18, up to 18, it is much better. 3 times it will coming divisible. If I am using 9, then 2 times divisible will be coming at 9 and at 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 में divisible है. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 में divisible है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clear. If I am using 2, then all alternate numbers are divisible. If I am writing say 3, so all alternate third number is divisible. If I am writing 4, all alternate 4 number is divisible. If I am writing 5, all alternate fifth number is divisible. And likewise 6, then 7, then 8. So this is the beauty of this statement. If I am going to use the same statement for if. Okay, if what is the condition? Condition is count mod 7. Okay, I'm writing this. Then what is the branch related with if? So this is the branch related with if statement. If I am writing else, then what is the branch? Okay, printf, or if it is true, then it will print not divisible. If it is false, then it will print divisible. Okay. Now I'm going to run this program. Same output will be coming. For 7, 2 times divisible will come. For 2, same thing. So earlier, whatever I had used, it was just an example of ternary operator, okay, inside while loop. Yes or no? Now come to next problem. You need to solve it by yourself. It will be the output of this program. So you have given 2-3 minutes. Okay.
So what we have to do?
You need to find the output of this program.
Sir, sir, I want to ask that कि जो 13th point है ना सर, उसमें प्लस प्लस काउंट क्यों लिखा है सर?
13 point में plus plus. Oh,
काउंट क्यों लिखा है?
okay. You are not able to see the slide. It's your slide. You need to give me the output. Yes.
अच्छा.
And in previous line 13 plus plus count is written because while loop is there, so increment or decrement will be there. Okay. So while will start from initialization, that is integer count equals to 1, then condition while count is less than or equals to 18, and then different statements, and after that one iteration will be there, and that is your plus plus count. Okay. So plus plus
Okay.
count will increment the value by 1. Now see this program
Okay, sir.
and show me the output of this program. So this is exactly what is the time now. 11:49. I will expect the answer by 11:52. Okay, so it's 11:52. Anyone has tried? Yes. Vedant, Vipul?
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah.
when we, sir, the
Yes.
user will enter any number and the compiler will check if the number is smaller than or equal to y, then it will then 5. It is smaller than or equal to y.
Okay. Mahima?
Yes, sir. Sir, integer in range 1 to 20. तो सर जब हम I की वैल्यू 1 रखेंगे ना तो फिर हो जाएगा y मतलब जब till it is equal to and till it is 20, and for similarly for x to that if we put j is equals to 1 to 20, range will like increase till 20 of x.
Okay. Actually, the answer is not very clear from your side. So let me give you step-by-step execution. Line 5, what will line 5 do? Line 5 will create 4 byte spaces for 4 byte spaces, not 4 byte. Okay. So this is what kind of integer kind of values, and integer I, integer j, integer x, and integer y will be given. So all 4 byte spaces, so total 16 byte spaces will be created. Now enter an integer in the range. So what a screen will do? Our screen, okay, this is our screen. So here the output is coming, enter integers in the range 1 to 20. Okay, and then cursor will start blinking here. After that, I had entered suppose one number, that is 5, and then press enter, and then 7, and then press enter. So this person D, first person D, okay, first person D is for X. So in place of X, 5 will be stored. Second person D is for Y. So in place of second person D, 7 will be stored at Y. Now it is beginning of for loop, and you can see that this curly brace is here and this curly brace is here. This is for AND for, and this is for begin for. Number 1. This is our for number 2. And for number 2 will end here. Yes or no? And this is actually inner for. And this 1 and 1 is outer for loop. Now, suppose I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to y. So what is the value of y? Y is 7. Okay. And I plus plus. So this loop will start from 1 to 7. This for loop will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why I had written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in vertical? Because one slash n is given. Okay, one slash n is given. So due to this, I had written like this. And this actually this statement is connecting statement to this, but this is not connecting. This will automatically, after termination of this for loop, then it will go to here. Okay, after termination of this for loop, now for I equals to 1, for I equals to 1, I is less than equals to y, what it will start to print? J equals to 1, J key initial value is 1, J is less than or equals to X. What is the value of X? 5. Okay, and J plus plus. Now, what it is going to the rate for J equals to 1, for J equals to 2, print at the rate. For 3, it will print at the rate. For 4, it will print at the rate. For 5, it will print at the rate. After that, this loop will end executing. And this will reach to this and it will automatically print the /n. Okay, it means now it will come to next line. Now again for I equals to 2, I equals to 2, I is less than or equals to 7, no problem, I plus plus. Again this loop will start from 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, likewise it will print 5 times at the rate for all the 7 lines. So this will be the output. Okay, so anyone has given me output like this?
No, sir.
No one has told like this. Okay, so be careful why we are using for loop. Okay, and why this inner for loop is there. So on the basis of this, you can let me show you the execution of this program. So this is our program, and if I am going to run this program, it will asking 5. I had entered 5 and 7, and then you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines are there, and each line has printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 number of at the rate. If I am going for another, okay, suppose I had entered 11 and 18. So you can see that 11 number of A's will be printed for all the 18 number of lines. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now come to next program. Is this program clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now this is our program, okay? And I had written output also. I had written the outputs also. So you need to show me why this output is coming and what is the use of each and everything. So let me show you this program. Yeah. Any problem is there with this program? What this program will do? Anyone? देखो ये रिकॉर्डिंग ना यूट्यूब में भी वहां अपलोड होती है, तो मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो इससे समझ में आ जाएगा कि कौन कितना इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है। थोड़ा अपना कैलिबर दिखाओ।
सर इसमें सर
यस
अमाउंट ऑफ डिपॉजिट सर कर रहे हैं।
यस
हेलो
यस
सर, इसमें सर अमाउंट ऑफ डिपॉजिट शो कर रहे हैं सर हम।
अमाउंट ऑफ व्हाट इज इट इज शोइंग?
सर अमाउंट सर हमने सर अमाउंट सर आपने सर पहले इंटीजर सर ईयर को बता दिया, उसके बाद डबल में अमाउंट ले लिया और प्रिंसिपल की वैल्यू इनिशिएट कर दी 1000 और रेट की वैल्यू इनिशिएट कर दी 0.05। और सर उसके बाद फॉर लगाया सर आपने ईयर इक्वल्स टू 1 और सर मतलब 1 से लेके 10 तक, और फिर उसे प्लस प्लस करके सर वो लूप चलता रहेगा। सर उसके बाद आपने अमाउंट इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल, जो सर प्रिंसिपल लेगा सर हमारा जो ये प्रिंसिपल 1000 दिया हुआ है इनटू पावर सर 1 पॉइंट प्लस रेट 0.05 है, तो 1.05 इंटू वो पावर ईयर, जितने भी ईयर सर होगा सबसे पहले सर 1 होगा, तो
ओके
1.05 और उसकी पावर 1, वो सब प्रिंट कर देंगे। उसके बाद 1.05 की पावर 2 और मल्टीप्लाई पे प्रिंसिपल फिर प्रिंट कर देंगे।
actually this program will calculate the compound interest. Okay, and how this is going to calculate the compound interest? So there is for loop, and this for loop is for year. Okay, so up will run 1 to 10. 1
10.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now year plus plus is written in, it means increment by 1. Okay, next formula is given, amount equals to principal plus 1 plus rate to the power year. Okay, so if we are going to calculate this will it will calculate what is the principal. Principal is 1000 plus 1 plus 0.5 to the power 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? 1000. Anything else? Power is given, so power is written in terms of year also. So 1000 multiplied by, it is not plus, multiplied by 1.05. So what is the result? 1050. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is in 8th year, so 1000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.5 to the power 8 equals to 1000 plus 1.05 to the power 8. Whatever answer is there, it will give you 1477. Okay, now the question is that can you create a program? Can you create a program without using this formula for compound interest? You know what is compound interest? It is one interest, and whenever this principal, so this can be written in terms of principal plus principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So here 100 will not come because the rate is not written in terms of percentage. So this will directly work, and if you are looping forever, then it will give you the same answer. So just try to solve it by this formula also, where we are not using any amount, only we are using principal. So what will be the principal in next year? What will be the principal in 10th year? So whether the answer is coming right, is same or not. Okay, हो जाएगा ये आप लोगों से?
Yes, sir.
So आप लोग कल बताएंगे इसको, है ना? Then come
Sir,
to this.
I have a doubt, sir. In
Yes.
sir, इसमें जो 9th step है सर, इसमें ये %4s and %21s क्या है सर?
यही तो मुझे, यही मेरा टारगेट था मेन. एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ बताया नहीं, तो आप लोगों ने यस बोल दिया, आप लोगों ने ध्यान नहीं दिया. सहोज, आर यू एबल टू एनलाइटन दिस थिंग? सहोज?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is this?
Sir,
If you are
those
unable,
the-
then skip it.
Yes,
Just
sir,
say I
I'm
don't
not
know.
so sure. Yes.
You are not sure. So in 10th or 11th class, okay, maybe in 10th or 11th class, I had explained you in blue slide about format specifiers. Yes or no? Maybe. So this,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
give me
sir.
1 second. Give me 1 second.
Sir, you are not audible.
Fine. So this %4s will says that this is a place for a string with right alignment. Right alignment. Okay, if minus is there, then it is left alignment. And this says 21 strings. Now you can count the value. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, including blank. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so this is 21
Yes,
spaces.
sir.
Now 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly for %d, because now the values are written in integer. If I am writing, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then 21 spaces are already there, and this is written as 21.2. So all the spaces, including these 21, okay, whatever width is there, including decimal point and all, it is 21.2. All, it is not 23. Fine, it is 21. The spaces, total spaces are 21. or you can say 19.3. But don't go on this, just write 21, including all the, including decimal point. Yes, it is not 19.2, it is actually 18.2, because 18 spaces and 1 decimal point and 2 numbers. 18 numbers, space, decimal point. Fine. So is it clear to all of you? If you are putting -1, minus over here, minus 4D, then the answer will be something different. And this answer will be 1, 2 up to 10 in left justified. Okay. If you are putting -1.
Okay.
So just take the screenshot of this and try to run by yourself. And this is one more program. So I will show you in next class. So I am taking your attendance also, and then closing. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.
Thank you, sir.